By default, when previewing the output in HTML5, the player will fit into the container, or browser window. In case the content is smaller than the window, more space will be added to the gap between the player and the content. But, how to remove these added spaces, and fit the HTML5 player to the content slide? Let's open the Player Settings window to customize the settings. Take a look at the Contents section of the General Parameters tab. Now, change the player size from Fit to Window, to Fit to Content. Thanks to that, the player will wrap to fit the content size. Save the changes, and preview to see the differences. As you can see, the top bar and the toolbar now fit the player, instead of spreading to fit the browser. That's it.